Thank you for joining us today. We're going to walk through logging into Dashboards. Best way to access the site is to go to the Dashboard and Analytics website at analytics.umd.edu. Once you've reached the page, you'll see the Dashboards button at the top. You can click on this. The Power BI sign-in will appear. Here you can enter in your university email. Hit submit. So if you hit submit, it will ask you for your directory ID password. Click sign in. Verification is required through Duo. Continue. And then approve on your device. From there, we recommend checking off the box, don't show this again, and then clicking yes to stay signed in. Once you click that, the dashboard will appear, defaulting to work tag lookup. We recommend that you save this as a favorite for a bookmark on your preferred browser. Thank you for joining us.